If I had to start voiceover from scratch in 2026, zero experience, zero connections, zero demos, this is the exact roadmap I'd follow to make my first $1,000 in 90 days. No bullshit, no gatekeeping, just the system that works. You're gonna have to say no to your friends, skip the Netflix binges, and audition like your life depends on it. Because if you do this right, it will change your life. Let's get into it. And who the hell am I? I'm Jesse Carroll. I'm a professional voice actor and coach. I've done over 2,000 voiceover jobs. I've made over $1 million in voiceover. And I am the founder of VoiceOver School, where we teach you how to book your first job, go full time, and even earn over 6 figures. And you can get started for just $47 a month right now. The link is in the description below. Step 1, gear and studio. First things first, you're gonna need gear and a studio. And I'm not talking about USB mic or Blue Yeti from Amazon. You need an XLR setup, period. Here's what I get. I get a Rode NT1 Signature Series, around $200 or so. You can pick up one used for even less. It's the best starter mic, hands down. I get a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 interface, about $130. Do not get the Solo, it's garbage. There's problems with Windows and Audacity, just no. You're also gonna need cables, headphones, boom stand, another $100, $150. And if you can't afford this right away, rent it. I did this when I started. I rented a full setup from a local music store called Long McQuaid back in Vancouver for less than $100 a month. No excuses. Now for your studio, you don't need a fancy booth. I started with a closet with blankets pinned to the walls and some couch cushions. If you've got a walk-in closet, deck it out with foam from Amazon, another $150, $200. If you don't have a walk-in closet, build a PVC pipe booth with moving blankets, under $200. Done. Or just build a blanket for it. Get some chairs and put some blankets over it so you're inside of it. You need to get rid of reflections. Super easy. That one costs nothing if you got the blankets. Total cost so far is around $500 to $700, or rent for $100 to $200 a month. And here's the reality check. While you're setting this up, you need income. So get a part-time job, bartending, waiting tables, whatever. Unless you already got a part-time job, if you got a full-time job, find a way that you can work to cut down your hours, or switch from a full-time to a part-time so you can have your days free. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need cash flow to invest in casting site platforms. This is a business, not a hobby. You definitely gonna need some cash coming in. Don't quit your job and just go balls to the wall. Unless you got a ton of savings, maybe you're independently wealthy. I don't know. If that's the case, congratulations for you. I wasn't. I did it with almost nothing. Step 2, the platform strategy. All right, the gear is sorted. Now the platforms. I'm gonna do something that I've never recommended before. I'm signing up for both voices.com and Voice123 at the same time. I want to make $1,000 in 90 days. I got to take drastic actions. I need auditions coming in. Here's why. Voices.com is about $500 a year. You can probably find a $100 off discount. I know I have one, but I don't share it because I don't want people to think I'm getting a kickback from Voices for recommending them. So I don't share it, but it's pretty easy to get $100 off. So $400 or $500 to start on Voices.com. And when you first sign up, they flood you with auditions. You get 50 to 100 in the first few days. You do them all. This is your practice ground. Most of them are not going to be for you. That's okay. Do them all anyway, because after that, you probably only get like 5 to 10 auditions a day, maybe less, which isn't enough, but it's a start. You're getting a little bit of experience. You're cutting your teeth. Then Voice123. And here's where I've changed my mind about Voice123. I used to say get the 888 level. Not anymore. Go straight to the $2,200 a year level, right to the top that you can buy into. I'm a platinum member. You have to apply for that. That's one above the $2,200 level. The thing about the $2,200 level, you can pay quarterly, $600 every 3 months. Now, why? Because at this level, you get your auditions faster and you get more of them. And you get higher visibility as well. If you're serious about making $1,000 in 90 days, you need volume, you need speed, you need 30 to 40 auditions a day minimum, especially if you're mediocre or not very good yet. We're gonna work on that, but you need volume to be constantly working at it. And the goal of Voice123 is to make that $600 back in 3 months, but you're gonna do better than that. You're gonna make $1,000 in 3 months, your first $1,000. I know you can. I've seen students do it. Hell, I did way beyond that. I see people make 3-4 times that in 3 months, in their first 3 months. So it can be done, but you need volume. You can't play this game scared, or you're not going to get anywhere. Step 3, the 50 demo strategy. I used to say when you get on pay-to-play platforms, just make 30. I'm removing that. You need 50. You need 50 to get visibility, to get found, to have a higher voice match score on voices.com. It's a non-negotiable. You're going to need it. But you're not paying for professional demos yet. You're making 50 DIY demos. Yup, you're making them yourself. I know that's counterintuitive to what the old guard says, but you have to do it unless you're super rich. And even then, why would you do 50 professional demos? You don't. You make them yourself. And here's why. You need visibility. The more demos you have, the more you show up in searches. Clients search by keywords. If you've got 50 demos tagged correctly, you're everywhere. And there's a very specific way that we do that, and I teach that in VoiceOver School. And when they can find you, they send you private invites. You're competing against 1, 2, 3, maybe 20, 30 people instead of 100 plus. Your odds just went through the roof, and you're getting more auditions. You also get better by the time you finish your 50th demo. You're going to be way better than you were at demo number 1. Go back, listen to all your demos after you get to number 50, and delete all the shitty ones and do them again. Just with a better performance. Here's how to make them. Find scripts online or write your own through ChatGPT. We actually have a script generator inside of VoiceOver School to help you do that. And you're gonna make them in a wide variety. Commercials, e-learning, narration, video games, animation, whatever floats your boat. Just record them all. Record them in your studio with an audio chain. If you don't know how to make that, we teach that in VoiceOver School right now, but you can just hire Jordan Reynolds or George the Tech to be able to make an audio chain for you. Saves you a lot of time and guesswork. And if you have a part-time job or a full-time job on the side, you got money coming in. So just spend it on the things that are gonna make your life better in the long run. Then you can quit that job. Now with these demos, you wanna keep them 15 to 30 seconds each tops. Honestly, probably closer to 15 seconds. No one's gonna listen to the whole thing. You wanna tag them with keywords that people are searching for, like conversational, authentic, energetic, commercial, real person, etc. And here's the key. Analyze the top performers on Voices. Go to voices.com/leaderboard, go to Voice123, look at the platinum talent, look at the leaderboard, listen to their demos, take notes. How much energy are they using? Are they conversational or are they announcery? What's their tone? Take notes of all that. Listen to it over again. Compare it with your demos, with your auditions. Then go to iSpot.tv, and listen to the latest commercials. What's working in 2026? Is it more energetic? Is it more authentic? Is it more bold? You need to know what's current. VoiceOver changes year to year. This is your free coaching, your reverse engineering success. I just interviewed Cameron Smith, who's one of the top performers on voices.com, and this is what he said he did to get as good as he is now. Now he books 1 in 8 just by listening to current commercials, listening to pros who are doing it, reverse engineering what they're doing, and then doing it his way. All right, you've got your gear, you've got your platforms, you got your 50 demos. Now comes the hard part. You're going all in. Here's what that means. You're looking at 30 to 40 auditions per day, every single day. No Netflix, no hanging out with friends, no excuses. You're treating this like a full-time job. Even if you've got a part-time job on the side or a full-time job on the side, congratulations. Now you've got 2 full-time jobs. And here's the thing, really, you're going to suck at first. Your first 50 auditions, probably garbage. Mine were, but by audition 500, you're going to be good. You're gonna be getting good, much better than when you started. By audition number 1000, you, my friend, are going to be dangerous. This is how you get your reps in. This is how you get better faster than anyone else. And while you're doing all this, you need accountability. You need to get an accountability partner. Join a group where people will be brutal with feedback. They'll be nice about it, but they're gonna tell you the truth. You're gonna ask, is this read competitive? If the answer is no, no, oh my God, no, then do it again until it is. You can work this out in a way shorter period of time than you think. You can get good really, really fast if you've got an accountability partner and you're being brutal with the feedback and you're applying that feedback and you're not taking mediocrity as an answer. You're trying to find excellence. You can do it quicker than you think. Step 5, the first 1,000. If you do everything I just said, gear, platforms, 50 demos, 30 to 40 auditions a day for 90 days, you will make your first $1,000. I can't guarantee it, but if you're working at your skills the whole time while you're doing it and you're spending every waking hour that you're not at the job that's helping you finance this whole thing, you should be able to do it. If you miss it, got to work harder at your skills. Listen to more spots. Listen to more demos of people that are doing it. Apply what you're hearing. Really try to make your reads competitive. But more likely than not, if you're putting in this volume, regardless of your skill level, probably gonna hit it. But you gotta be getting those 30 to 40 auditions in a day. At my current skill level, I'd probably hit $1,000 following this system in less than a week, probably less than a few days. But when I started, it only took me about a month to hit my first 1,000. And that's because I was doing exactly this. Exactly. Once you hit your first 1,000, here's what you do. Keep auditioning, keep building, keep growing. Bank it. Don't spend it. You're saving for a professional demo. Why? Because you can use that professional demo to put up on one sites to get work offered to you, but to also get a professional agent, a top tier agent. You're gonna need that demo to do it. Then you get more auditions and access to bigger jobs. And all the while, you're gonna keep auditioning, keep building, keep growing, track your numbers, know your booking ratio. If you don't know your numbers, you don't care. You need to know which types of jobs you're booking, what platform you're booking them on. This is a business, treat it like one. Look, I just gave you the roadmap, but here's the reality. This is hard, and most people are going to quit. If you want help, if you want someone to walk you through this step by step, audit your demos, review your profiles, and make sure you're not wasting your time and you have accountability, that's exactly what we do inside VoiceOver School. For the starting price of just $47 a month, you get the full Voice 123 and Voices.com strategy, the full Jumpstart course with all the modules, and a community of people doing exactly what you're about to do. So if it sounds like a fit, check out VoiceOver School, links below. And if you got value from this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. I've been Jesse Carroll, this has been another video, and I will see you in the next one.